Some props as you have what you have.
Amakuru marungi agokora omubazi ogubesere Narovac anti-tick vaccine negijaho mu bwire obw'abariisa omwihanga lyona barikuteganisibwa ekizibu ky'engoha ezirikureeta endwara ezimaziraho amatungo gaabo. Dr. Frederick Kabi, Principal Research Officer, nagira ngu bahereze kukora doze emitwaro 30 ez'omubazi ogu ezikuumirwe aha kitebe kikuru ekya Naro kandi President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni naija kutongoza ehuru yokugujanjaza omwihanga omukwezi kwa 12 omwaka ogu.
The president directed us to work on an anti-tick vaccine to control ticks which have become resistant to ticks, to acaricides on market. Currently, the acaricides on market are not doing very well. The ticks don't die when they are vaccinated, as used to happen 30 years ago. The vaccine did not have any negative effect on the physiology of the vaccinated animals.
Dr. Kabi ayatwire n'ameji omumushomo ogw'abanyamakuru ogutebekanisibwe Naro omurembo Mbarara agizire ngu batireho enkora eyo kukwata abo abarikuba nibenda kugucupura.
We are going to make sure that the vaccine is going to be handled well to avoid any quack doctors to spoil the vaccine. So it's going to, and it has security features, so we are also going to be looking out for any counterfeits of this vaccine.
Ekigendererwa kyaffe kyakubeera nti amagezi agava mu research, ebintu ebifuluma mu research nga bifulumiziddwa bisobola okuba nga bikozesebwa okukyusa obulamu obw'abantu.
Dr. Halid Chirunda orukukura Naro itaje lya Mbarara ashabira abanyamakuru okuyamba ebitongore ebirikujumbura ebintu bisya babaase kumanyisa abantu bebayambe.
Tebanaffe banamawulire mutuyambe nnyo kubanga awatali mmwe kibeera kizibu nnyo okubeera ntubeera buli wantu ne tutuusa ebyo bye tukola eri abantu.
Ogu niguza kuyamba ihanga sente zirukwingana dola za Amerika akahumbi kamwe n'obukikuru 100 ezebire neferwa omu rutaro rw'okurwanisa endwara ezirikureetwa engoha ezirimu amashiyo, red water hamwe na kashanku. Gasha kwa Sengendo Abdul Karim.